Welcome for the subject physics. I am Mr. Bhor sir. There are total 16 chapters in our syllabus. The code number for physics is the 54. The name of the first chapter of the physics is rotational dynamics. You know about the rotation. The meaning of the rotation is that motion of particle about an axis. Motion of the particle about an axis. From diagram, let us consider that this is axis of rotation. Particle rotates about an axis. Particle rotates about an axis. For example, motion of blades of fan. Motion of blades of fan. Particle rotates about an axis in case of fan. It means that blades of the fan rotate about an axis. Motion of hands of clock. Hands of clock rotate about an axis. Now next term is that dynamics. Dynamics is the branch of physics which deals with study of forces or motion. Dynamics is the branch of mechanics which deals with study of forces or motion. Now next concept is that circular motion. The definition for the circular motion is that the motion of particle along the circumference of circle. Motion of particle along the circumference of circle. It has characteristics. The first characteristics is that it is accelerated motion. It is periodic motion. It has two characteristics. First one is that it is accelerated motion and second is that it is periodic motion. Now next concept is that kinematics of the circular motion. In case of circular motion, particle having angular velocity, particle having linear velocity, particle having angular acceleration, particle having linear acceleration, let omega bar is equal to d theta bar upon dt. Omega is the angular velocity, theta is the angular displacement. Omega is equal to d theta upon dt. Alpha. Alpha means angular acceleration. Alpha means angular acceleration. Alpha is equal to d omega upon dt. It means that angular acceleration depends upon angular velocity. Phi. Phi is the linear velocity. Phi is equal to ds upon dt. Now next concept is that tangential velocity. In case of circular motion, particle having tangential velocity, in factor, we can write phi bar is equal to omega bar cross r bar. Phi bar is equal to omega bar cross r bar. In magnitude, phi is equal to r omega. This is relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. Phi is equal to r omega. This is very important relation. Phi is the linear velocity, r is the radius, omega is the angular velocity. Let omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. Omega is angular velocity. T is the time period. Omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. This is also important formula. Omega is equal to 2 pi n. This formula creates omega is equal to 2 pi n. See here, omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. We can write omega is equal to 2 pi n as n is equal to 1 upon t. Now next concept is that UCM. The long form for the UCM is that uniform circular motion. The long form of the UCM is that uniform circular motion. The definition for the UCM is that the motion of particle along the circumference of circle with constant speed. Motion of particle along the circumference of circle with constant speed. For example, for the UCM, we can give example of the particle rotate with constant speed is that, for example, rotation of Earth around the Sun. Electron revolves around the nucleus. Electron revolves around the nucleus. Motion of hands of a clock are the examples of the uniform circular motion. Now next term is that non-UCM. As UCM, there is also non-UCM. For example, for the non-UCM, we can switch on the fan, we can switch off the fan. That time, velocity, acceleration goes on increasing or decreasing. It means that this is non-UCM, and this is example of the non-UCM. For UCM, there are formulas. For UCM, linear acceleration is given by A is equal to omega square R. This is important formula. A is equal to omega square R. A also equal to phi square upon R. A also equal to phi omega. It means that linear acceleration also depends upon product of phi and omega. For UCM, A is equal to omega square R. A is equal to phi square upon R. A is equal to phi omega. So that for the first chapter, rotational dynamics, we have the important concept: rotation, dynamics, circular motion, characteristics of circular motion, kinematics of circular motion, tangential velocity, UCM, non-UCM. These are the basic concepts which are necessary to understand the chapter clearly.